For over a decade, we taught AI to learn. In the agentic era, AI has to remember, to comprehend, to reason, to act. This is Inference. Agent swarms, long context reasoning, millions of users at once, none of them waiting. And it's hitting a wall no one can code around. Behind every stalled GPU, work is waiting. A molecule that could become a cure. A material that could rebuild a grid. A model learning to navigate a world humans can't reach. The frontier can't wait for infrastructure to catch up. The storage industry has had one answer: drag last era's infrastructure into this one. Renamed, repackaged, stamped AI ready. WEKA had a different answer. Our founders saw this wave coming before it had a name. Data at a scale nothing was ready to serve. Compute so fast nothing could feed it. Machine intelligence that would need to run in real time. The solution didn't exist, so we built it. Software architected from the cloud down. And when hardware became the last ceiling for what our software could do, we built that too, from the chassis up, engineered to run as one. Fully utilized GPUs, agents that don't forget, more tokens per watt at a lower cost in the footprint you already own. This isn't storage with new marketing. It's a new category of infrastructure measured in what matters now: tokens, watts, memory. The inference economy runs on WEKA.